Hi, I'm Jack Watson. I'm a PhD candidate at Northeastern University in the Sustainability and Data Science Lab. And the technology that we're developing strengthens the resilience of infrastructure systems, being power grids, water and sewer systems, transportation and transit networks, to man-made and natural disasters. So when the next hurricane or cyber attack hits, we can build resilience by design into systems. So not only are they fail-safe, but they're safe to fail. We can mitigate loss of life and bring systems back up and running faster than we're currently able to. The Spark Fund will let us hire the talent that we need to, both in terms of research and development and software engineering, to take what's currently just academic research and translate that into a minimum viable product that can be used for real decision support on the ground for infrastructure owners and operators.